Imagine if your retail planning could be smarter, faster, and always in tune with your customers' needs. That's what Cinde Assortment and Space, Symphony's unified platform, delivers. Cinde Assortment and Space connects the entire planning journey: store clustering, assortment creation, planogram design, and floor, into one intelligent AI-driven workflow aligned to shopper needs and financial goals. AI-powered clustering patterns and performance trends, grouping stores for maximum impact. Next, assortment creation becomes effortless. Build customer-driven assortments in minutes, tailored to each store's unique profile. Then move seamlessly into planogram design and floor planning, all within one intelligent workflow. Symphony's floor planning helps retailers boost sales by 7.5% with more efficient category space. Assortment optimization brings 2 to 4% sales growth per category, while AI-driven automation and an intuitive interface deliver 50% productivity gains and up to 2% less waste. Cinde Assortment and Space takes you from insight to action instantly. Assortment and Space delivers speed at scale, assortments built in minutes, and thousands of store-specific planograms generated instantly. Aligned to pack out rules and strategy, Cinde Assortment and Space moves from insight to action with simple prompts. Add an item, swap an underperformer, or remove a SKU across thousands of stores, completed in seconds. Cinde Assortment and Space executes updates automatically, recalculating facings and regenerating planograms with precision. Cinde is building a world beyond scheduled resets, continuously sensing market signals like price changes, promotions, competitive moves, and shifts in sales velocity. This is intelligent, self-adaptive, real-time, and always ahead. The future of retail planning starts with Symphony's Cinde Assortment and Space. One platform, one source of truth, end-to-end intelligence.